guys! So today I am doing just a get ready with me video since it's been a while. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to, so that's why we're here. So thank you guys for joining in. If you're new here, welcome! My name is Brooke and I post videos about beauty and skincare and other things depending on my mood. And if you're a returning visitor, then welcome back. So today, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my face. We're just gonna do it. I'm gonna use this Belief Aqua Bomb, which I used to love back in the day. I also thought I would ask my Instagram to ask me questions during this to see, like, since it's been a while, like if you guys had any questions, you guys could ask them and I'd answer them. So yeah, I'm using the Josie Maran Vibrancy Foundation, which is what I've been using recently. Really love it. I'll either wear this or I'll wear just concealer. But I kind of want to do a full face because I haven't done one in a while. I do notice that, I don't know, eczema is so confusing. I feel like my skin prefers to not wear a foundation. But like I can go multiple days wearing foundation, my skin doesn't react negatively. So it's really weird. I think it's really all just like a combo for me of like what I've eaten and the weather and everything. So I'm gonna scoot a little closer. I feel like I'm so far away from you guys. I'm gonna use my FAB concealer. How have you guys been? I feel like I've talked about me being gone and like missing you guys, but like how have you guys been? Like what's new with you? Let me know. Okay, I'm back. I decided to start filming on the floor. I always have this like weird nostalgic feeling about specifically like 2012 YouTube videos when people would just like film on their floor and like do like Bath and Body Works hauls, which I have no interest in. I don't ever haul like Bath and Body Works, which is like nothing against them. But I don't know, it's just weird. So, and I was always like, why don't YouTubers do that anymore? Like it's so formal now, it's so commercially, everything is just like, you know, it's just like a whole production. Like a lot of people have like teams they're filming with, like, I don't know, it's not my style. And there's something, like the whole reason I started watching YouTube videos was to learn how to do makeup, and I was like 12 when I first started watching them. And it gave this vibe of like having an older sister, which I didn't have, and like someone who would give me tips and stuff. And it was a really good feeling, and that's all I really want to do. I'm not here for like the fake production, it looking like I'm a model in LA on set. You know, that's just not what YouTube means to me. Okay, someone wants to know about my cats. So I will tell you guys everything about my cats since you guys care so much. I have two cats whom I love so much. I have, for those of you who are new, I have a cat tattoo. I got this tattoo in memory of my first cat I had on my own. Her name was Miss Mittens, and she had a like genetic condition that we didn't know about, and so she passed away really young. It was like legitimately a traumatic experience. Like super, like it was the worst time of my life for many reasons. And I mean, if you go to some of my older videos, you can see Miss Mittens in a lot of my older videos, but it was the worst time of my life. I was in the worst place I've ever been, mentally, physically, just like everything was horrible. And then she was like my only thing, and then she passed away, so that was really, really, really hard for me. But I still feel her presence, and I know that she's happy and had a very happy life, so that makes me feel good. And I have my two cats who I have now, who Mr. was here earlier, but you guys didn't see him. Mr. is the biggest floof, and he's very shy, but he loves women. He really does. He's not a huge fan of guys unless there's a lot of them, because then he knows he'll get attention. But, yeah, he's a big fan of the ladies. He knows how to, like, get them to pet him, which is so funny. He is the sweetest boy. The other day, I was trying to sleep in, because I'm on Thanksgiving break, and he just came up to me asleep and put his paw on my face, and then his fingers, and I was like, no, mister! And so I pet him, but he would just keep doing it till I got up, so I was like, okay, I guess I'm not sleeping in today. This is fine. So he's sweet. And then Lucy is my little girl, and she's crazy. She's literally so similar to me. She's just like all over the place, and I don't know, she's just crazy. She is a little anxious girl, which I think she gets like from my energy, and I've read a lot that your cats will like pick up your energy, and basically they really pick up on it. So I'm looking for my cream contour. Oh, I bet it's whatever, who gives a shit. It's fine. So I've been really working on my Lucy, I'm just talking about you. I'm working on my anxiety so that I don't ruin my cats. So yeah, those are my cats. I'm gonna cream contour my nose. I don't know where my good stuff is. I guess I'm literally holding a hand mirror. Yes, I love my cats very, very, very much. They do have their own Instagram. They haven't been very active on it though. I just tapped off the excess. Woo! That's funny. Oh my god, I went to do it again. This must just be a habit. I must not use cream products a lot, or I don't realize it when I'm not filming that I tried to tap off the excess. Perfect. I'm ready for the day. I have an audition this weekend, guys. I'm really scared. Just thought I'd share that with you. Super scary. Okay, I think I'm gonna play, I got the Carli Bybel palette from Anastasia. I'm very excited about it. All of the colors. All the colors I love. I'm sure you've seen it. But I feel like me and Carli Bybel are probably the same person. We're just like very similar, and I really like it. So I like all her colors. I'm just gonna play in some of the colors and see what happens. Let's use the mirror. Andrea says hi. Hi, Andrea. How's it going? Let me know in the comments. I do care. I had a very nostalgic moment today. My first favorite YouTuber, who at the time was Miss Glamorazzi, who now just goes by her name, which is Ingrid. I like watched her so much constantly. It was crazy. Like, I was obsessed with her channel. And I watched all her Vlogmas. And then I just like stopped watching for a while. And I've been getting back into her channel, and I was watching her video today. And it's so like, I love it when I feel like, I mean, like, time has passed since 2012. And so I feel like we've like grown together, because now she like has a couple of videos on like basically how to be an adult human. But this one was about like chores and a book she had read about like maintaining a healthy space. Anyway, it was really nice. I feel white. We're gonna... I want to bronzer. I feel incredibly pale. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sleepy, guys. Okay, we're going into the dark shades now. Hopefully this doesn't go horrible. Also, this lighting just like washes me out. Like, yeah, I'm pale, but this lighting kind of yells at me about it. Okay, even that little bit I feel like helped. I hope I'm not orange. Let's do some blush. I always, any like fair-skinned girls out there, I feel like since I've rediscovered blush, it has helped so much. Even if I'm like super like pale and not wearing a whole bunch of bronzer, it just like livens your face up. Even if you're pale, it looks really pretty, and it just makes it really, I think it enhances the pale skin really well. It just brings life to it so you don't look, I don't know, so washed out. I don't know, I'm rambling, but yes. Happy Sagittarius season. We are now in. So get ready to be fiery and have an exciting time. What lips should I do, guys? I need your help. What you guys can tell me. It was a bad idea to post the Q&A thing like as I started filming. It's really okay though. I feel like I'm just talking anyway, so I'm gonna say, like, my eyes aren't super crazy, but they are on the dramatic side. Should I wear lashes? I don't really want to. I'm not going to. Let's just do a basic nude. I feel like anything else is gonna be too much. This is my new favorite lip liner. I got this in my boxy charm. It's Steve Laurent, and it's Chic. That's the name. Mr. Come here. Do you want to say hello? In your German accent? Oh, he does not want to say hello. Sorry, I'm not gonna force him to say hi. But he is here, so he's with us. I like to overline my lips. I feel like my bottom lip is fairly bigger. It's not like big at all, but it's like not small. My top lip is a little smaller though, so. Lips is dry. Oh my god. I'm gonna use a warmer undertone. This is Buff from Anastasia, and I'm just like a pet. If anything, I'm like dragging down the lip liner. My lips are legitimately dry as fuck. Oh my god. Are we gonna put on lip gloss and pretend nothing happened? You're thriving. Probably not gonna do anything to my hair. Maybe brush it, but who knows? I might not. Get in the picture, guys. You guys see my jank filming station? It's exciting. But yeah, that's all, guys. That's all I'm gonna do is just get ready. So I'm basically ready. I feel like I'm a weird kind of person because half the time I don't want to do anything, but then I do. So I do some stuff, but then like don't brush my hair or something. I don't know. It's weird, but it's great. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.